Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Here we are trying to study that how Quran talks about the fasting and what are the characteristics given in Quran. Al-Quran, Surah number 2, verse number 185. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Translation. The month of Ramadan is the month in which the Quran was revealed. A guide for the people, the most authoritative of all guidance and the criteria to discern right from wrong. Anyone of you who knows that the month of Ramadan has begun, he must start to fast. Those who are sick or on a journey have to fast the same number of days at another time. Remaining part of the verse, God does not impose any hardship upon you. He wants you to have comfort so that you may complete the fast. Glorify God for His having given your guidance, and that perhaps you would give Him thanks. Second reference from the Quran, Al-Quran, Surah number 2, verse number 183. Translation, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Believers, fasting has been made mandatory for you, as it was made mandatory for the people before you, so that you may have fear of God. Third reference, Al-Quran, Surah number 2, verse number 187. Translation, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. It is made lawful for you during the night of fasting to have carnal relationship with your wives. They are your garments and you are their garments. God knew that you were deceiving yourself. He relented towards you and forgave you. Now it is lawful for you to have carnal relationship with your wives and follow what God has commanded. Remaining part of the ayah, the words. Eat and drink until the white streak of dawn becomes distinguishable from darkness. Complete your fast, starting from dawn to dusk. It is not lawful to have carnal relations with your wives during etikaf in the mosque. Such are the limits of the law of God. Do not come close to transgressing them. Thus have God explained His evidence to men so that perhaps they will have fear of God. Let's see what we have gained by discussing the verses from the Quran. Findings goes like this. Ramadan is the month of fasting. That is the number one thing we have discussed. The second thing, the month in which Quran reveals was Ramadan. So actually it is mentioned in Quran that Quran actually start getting revealing in the month of Ramadan. The third finding is regarding relaxation is given to sick and traveling being to replace Ramadan days with normal days, but the number of fast has to be complete before arrival of the next Ramadan. Number fasting is must for Muslims as it was on people before us. Number 5, marital relationships is allowed in night of Ramadan. Like carnal relationships can be allowed in the night of Ramadan. Finding number 6 is can't push the time of Sahri beyond white streak of dawn. Number 7, fasting is dawn to dusk. It is from dawn, starts from dawn, and it will be has to complete till dusk. And number 8, the carnal relationship with wives during etikaf is prohibited. It's not allowed. So, thank you. Jazakallah khair. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe. Have a very nice day.